Hello, today I'm going to be talking to you about the Year 3 addition objectives. The core learning that we will be focusing on today is 3-digit numbers add 1-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers add 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers add 3-digit numbers. So looking at the ones, tens and 100s with those. First things first, as a school we would teach your child how to represent addition. So with this example here, I've drawn a bar model. So 456 add 7, and then that equals the total bar at the top. So once your child can do that mentally, they can represent the addition using bar models as so. The second thing that we would teach, so moving on to 2-digit addition, so that would be an example for 1-digit. Firstly, you draw your headings, hundreds, tens and ones, and then you put the numbers in. I start with the hundreds, so 450 and 2. Here we haven't got any hundreds, so there wouldn't be any hundreds there, so fill it in. That's called a placeholder. It holds the value of your places. 80 and 9. And then this example shows how we would exchange. So 9 add 2 is 11. 5 add 8. Add the 1. And then 4 add nothing, add 1 is 5. That's a short method. If you wanted to expand it, which would be good practice for Year 3 children. So 452 add 89. Don't forget your headings. So 2 and 9 is 11. 50 add 80 is 130. 400 add no hundreds is 400. And then add that all together. So that will come to 541. Okay. So 2 ways of doing that calculation there. And then finally, 3-digit add 3-digit, hundreds, tens, ones. 4, 5, 2 add 3, 2, 7. 2 and 7 is 9. 5 and 2 is 7. 4 and 3 is 7. And then your answer is 779. And that shows no exchange there. If you look here, I've done some examples and I'll talk you through them. I've chosen these very specifically. It's a really progressive model that I've made here. So the first question here, it's 3-digit add 1-digit. There's no exchange here, so they're just adding the ones with no exchange. And then here we're exchanging into the tens. Moving on to 3-digit add 2-digit, again no exchange for the first set, and then exchanging the ones. And then here we're exchanging the ones and the tens, so the tens would exchange into the hundreds. And then finally at the bottom here we've got 3-digit number. A 3-digit number will start with no exchange, and then you're exchanging your ones to the tens, and here we're exchanging tens to the ones but not the ones to the tens. And then on this one we're exchanging both the ones and the tens, and that's a very progressive model. You could start here, do a lesson on this, the next day move to 2-digit numbers and progress through, and then your next day progress through. Very happy for you to either email me or tweet me with your work that you've completed. My Twitter handle is up here. Thank you very much and enjoy your math.